In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect your LinkedIn Ads account to Hubspot. Connecting LinkedIn Ads to Hubspot helps you keep your advertising data and conversions in one place. Once the connection is set up, Hubspot can sync the ad accounts you choose, which makes it easier to track performance and manage reporting alongside your other marketing tools. To begin, log in to your Hubspot account and look to the top right corner of the screen. Find the Settings option, shown with a small gear icon, and click it. This will take you into the main settings area where Hubspot keeps account-wide tools and integrations. Next, move to the left sidebar. Under Marketing, click Ads. This is the section where Hubspot manages connections to ad platforms and where you can view and organize your ad accounts. Take a moment to confirm you are in the Ad settings area, since this is where the connection process happens. Now, click Connect Account. Hubspot will prompt you to choose which advertising platform you want to link. Select LinkedIn. At this point, you will be asked to log into your LinkedIn account. Make sure you sign in with the LinkedIn profile that has access to the ad accounts you intend to use. If your organization manages multiple ad accounts, the correct permissions are important, because Hubspot can only sync accounts you are authorized to access. After you log in, you will see a list of LinkedIn Ads accounts available for connection. Select the LinkedIn Ads accounts you want to sync with Hubspot. Choose only the accounts you need for reporting and campaign tracking, since syncing unnecessary accounts can make your workspace harder to navigate later. Once you have made your selections, click Connect. Hubspot will finalize the integration and begin syncing the selected accounts. Depending on how much data is available, it may take a little time for everything to appear, so do not worry if you do not see all details instantly. After the connection completes, you can return to the Ads area in Hubspot to confirm the accounts are listed and syncing as expected. That covers everything you need to know.